I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley as we take a live look across Charlotte Harbor from the Sunseeker Resort here this morning. Clear skies to start. We also have another start of that lower humidity here today. 76 degrees as we start things out. Feels like 77. So again, that's that lower humidity, that lower dew points there this morning. Temperature-wise, waking up mid-70s inland, closer to the coastline, upper 70s. Though we'll see those climbing up to the 90s again to this afternoon. As for the day itself, sunny skies through the afternoon. A little bit more partly sunny, say 1-2 o'clock. Should be a relatively dry day, though we can't rule out a few showers, thunderstorms further south down in Collier County, very similar to what we saw on your Saturday. As for temperatures, though, we are looking at low to mid 90s today. Again, that lower humidity around. Still, though, going to be seeing those feels like temperatures maybe in the upper 90s and maybe a couple hundreds down in, say, Collier County, where they see that little bit more moisture there. But overall, it's going to be very similar to your Saturday with those dew points this afternoon in the 60s. Now, we do expect, though, as we get in towards your Monday, unfortunately, that surge of moisture will start to move back in the mid 70s, those dew points, as that humidity returns. And you can see as we get in towards the next couple of days, humidity goes from that tolerable zone back into that humid zone pretty much throughout the rest of the week. And that means, yep, we're going to start to see those rain chances return. So here's your look at for your this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies. Can't rule out a few showers down in Collier County as we get in towards this afternoon into the evening, though most of that should be done by about 8 o'clock. Now, as we get in towards Monday, again, watching that moisture starting to return. Sunny skies in the morning, then you get into about 3 o'clock, watching our inland community, Glades, Henry County, for those showers and thunderstorms out towards Lake Okeechobee. Though if you're along the coastline, I still expect a relatively dry day for you. As for tonight, though, we are looking at partly cloudy skies, 77 degrees for you. And then tomorrow, again, watching those inland storms, otherwise 92 degrees as we start the week. Now, we are expecting only about a 40% chance of rain for you on Monday. That will start to build back in with that moisture this week. 60% on Tuesday and kind of hanging out 60-70% chance over the next several days here. What's going on is we actually tracking a cold front moving southward, and this is going to stall kind of right overhead of us over the next week or so. And that means you got a little bit more lift in the atmosphere, and just with the overall sea breeze, could be kind of a wet afternoon each and every day with the European model showing maybe an inch or two on average, with obviously some localized amounts even higher than that over the next 7 days. So we'll be watching the return of some wetter weather. As for the tropics, Ernesto now down to a tropical storm as it lifts it north of Bermuda and pushes up towards the Canadian Maritimes. We are expecting strengthening back to a hurricane strength on Sunday afternoon and towards Monday, and then kind of fizzling out as it pushes out towards the North Atlantic. But we are watching still, other than that, pretty quiet conditions. No tropical development expected over the next 7 days, though we have a pretty decent wave coming off of Africa that we'll have to keep an eye on in the long range of things. Otherwise, 7-day forecast, enjoy today and tomorrow with those lower rain chances, then they'll build back in as the week moves on. Temperatures kind of hanging out in the low to mid 90s.